Most small marketing teams assume marketing mix modeling demands enterprise software and months of setup. Yet a 12-location restaurant chain moved from raw spreadsheets to a budget reallocation in under 4 weeks and added $41,000 in monthly revenue without hiring any data scientists. They spent $58,000 a month across Google, Meta, and local print, following their agency's usual split based on revenue percentages. After applying the model, they shifted 32% of that spend and gained 340 extra covers each week at the same total ad cost. The process starts with a clear business objective. The restaurant team wanted to know exactly which channels delivered the most revenue per dollar so they could stop guessing. That single goal shaped every later choice, from which data to pull to how they would interpret the results. Next comes data collection. They pulled 26 weeks of weekly spend by channel and matched it to weekly revenue from their point-of-sale system. OptiMix supplied a simple CSV template that flagged missing weeks or mismatched dates before upload. They added a basic promotional calendar marking price changes and competitor openings, but kept the file light because the platform only needs the essentials for small teams. Once the data sat inside the tool, they configured the channels. Each spend line mapped cleanly to Google, Meta, or print. They set the modeling window at 32 weeks for extra stability and left the default movement caps at plus or minus 15% so no single change could swing too wildly. Weekly informative priors based on restaurant industry benchmarks were already in place, so they did not need to adjust anything further. Running the model took one click. The Bayesian ADVI engine, a fast approximation method that avoids the long run times of older sampling techniques, finished in 12 minutes. It produced full posterior distributions showing Meta delivered 2.8 times the return on ad spend that the agency reports had claimed, while Google lagged relative to its share of voice. The final step turns those outputs into a decision. The dashboard ranked channels by efficiency and offered a budget simulator that tested reallocations inside the movement caps. The team moved 32% from Google into Meta, waited 4 weeks, and watched revenue rise by $41,000 a month. They repeated the cycle every month, each time feeding the new weeks back into the model for tighter estimates. That same 5-step loop works for any team that can gather 26 weeks of clean spend and revenue data. Define the question, upload the numbers, configure once, run the model, then act on the clearest recommendations first. Over repeated cycles, the uncertainty intervals shrink and the budget keeps improving. A second restaurant group tried the same process but skipped the promotional calendar step and ended up crediting a 2-for-1 deal week entirely to Meta, which inflated that channel's return by almost 40% until they corrected it the next month. The fix dropped their recommended Meta shift from 40% down to 28% and saved them from overcommitting. If you want the same clarity, block 2 hours on Monday morning to export weekly spend from each platform and line it up against your point-of-sale revenue in a simple spreadsheet. Then mark any price changes or competitor events on the same rows before you upload. One franchise that added a hard rule to rerun the model within 48 hours of any new competitor opening saw their return on ad spend climb from 2.8 times to 3.4 times inside 2 cycles, proving that feeding fresh events back into the data beats waiting for a perfect monthly file. To see what Bayesian marketing mix modeling can reveal inside your own data, visit optimix.aureliansystems.tech. The link is in the description.